Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you had an amazing week. Today, I'm going to introduce to you my good friend Tashi.
Hello everyone, my name is Tashi. I am 26 years old and I am from Bhutan. And I'm very excited to be here.
I'm very excited for you to be here as well, and it's my pleasure that you're on my YouTube channel today. I actually met Tashi about 1.5 years ago. We met in a retail store. She was working there. And me and my friend Khaled, we approached her and we were like, are you interested in being a model? Because you are so beautiful. After that, we've done a lot of photo shoot and Tashi is incredible to work with. So my inspiration for today is to do my makeup style on Asian beauty. And hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial. Should we get glam? Let's do it. Alrighty, so I'm starting off my look with the Magic Cream and the Magic Eye Rescue from Charlotte Tilbury. Both these products are absolutely amazing and I love to start any makeup look with them. The Magic Eye Rescue will help to nourish the skin, especially under the eyes. And the Magic Face Cream obviously will create that flawless hydrated base and will act as both my moisturizer and primer. For my foundation today, I'm mixing the by Terry CC Serum and I'm mixing it with the Studio Waterweight by MAC. And I love the combination of both these products because it will kind of create that sheer flawless coverage. And I recently fell in love with the CC Serum from by Terry. It creates this kind of like blurry finish on the skin, so your face will look almost like it's face tuned. And mixing it with your foundation will actually make it more dewy and will add that kind of golden sheen, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna use a light peachy color on top of the upper lip just to kind of brighten that area and make it match with the rest of the face. Now I'm gonna use the Prep and Prime highlighter from MAC, and what I really love about this product is that it adds that kind of yellowish highlight effect without the added coverage. So adding a really light yellowish highlighter or even a really sheer yellowish concealer will definitely help bring that perfect match between the face and the neck. I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer and I'm using the bronzing makeup base from Chanel. Then I'm taking the Ultra Foundation palette from Makeup Forever and I'm using the mixture of these two shades to contour the face. And as I said in my previous video, the best way to blend your cream contour is to actually use your foundation brush. And the reason why is because it's gonna blend it and almost take from it a little bit because the brush still has some foundation in it. For my blush, I'm using the M Cosmetics Color Drop Serum, and this is in the shade Pink Nectar. A tiny drop is more than enough, as you guys can see. This blush is just heaven, honestly, because it will create that flush that looks extremely natural, like you applied nothing. And it's so lightweight and it has that kind of oily sheen, but it's not oily. It's such a weird finish, but I cannot describe how beautiful it looks in real life. To set my cream bronzer, I'm taking a little bit of the Mineralize Skinfinish from MAC and I'm kind of setting the areas where I applied the cream. For that perfect golden glow, I'm using the Illuminating CC powder from by Terry, and this is in the shade Apricot Glow. To help everything melt together, I'm using the Fix Plus from MAC. For my eye base, I'm using the Pro Eye palette from MAC, and this is a cream base. This is in the shade The Romantic. I love using this shade as a base for my eyes. And the way I do hooded eyes or monolids is to actually start from the front rather than adding it in the crease or in the outer corner. Just because it will help kind of lift the eye and show exactly where I want to take that color. And if you're afraid to go overboard, always start with a little bit of product and start building it up. And then I'm gonna take whatever is left from the brush and I'm gonna start to kind of wing the eyeshadow slightly. To set the cream shadow, I'm using the Extra Dimensional blush from MAC, and this is in the shade Faux Sure. To brighten the center of the lids and obviously the inner corners, I'm using the GLOWGASM face palette from Charlotte Tilbury. Adding a shimmer in your inner corner and especially in the center of your lids will definitely help open up your eyes and create that kind of faux crease moment, but without the really intense colors and blending of dark colors in the crease. So don't be afraid to take that kind of shine a little bit above your lid. It will not look overboard if you start little by little. It will actually look extremely beautiful. Your eyes will shine beautifully like crystals. I'm taking a mixture of these two shades from the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm adding a really soft wing. And if you guys are afraid of wing liner, or if you feel like wing liner is too much on your eyes and doesn't show up, try actually using eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is perfect because you can build it up. If you don't like it, you can easily correct it, and without worrying about, an intense black line, try using actually your eyeshadow palettes. It's a great trick, and if you do like the effect of it, then add a liner on top of it. For that extreme intensity in the center of the lids, I'm taking this Inglot Pure Pigment in the shade 115. This is actually my favorite pigment, probably in my kit. And if you guys happen to walk by any Inglot store or booth, make sure to check out this pigment, especially because you will not regret it. I don't want to add an intense contour. I almost want to just connect the eye makeup with the face. Make sure to actually blend your contour with your eyes. I know it sounds weird, but it does create a massive difference. Now I'm taking the soap brow that I created and I'm gonna add it in the brows, and I don't want this to look super feathery. I want this look to be very kind of realistic and not that editorial kind of extreme brow. So for this time, I'm not brushing them upwards, I'm just brushing them to kind of frame them. And I'm using a brow pencil from NYX to just add the shape, and then I'm gonna draw individual hairs using the LIMECRIME Bushy Brow Pen. And this is in the shade Brownie. I'm going to add lashes, and I'm using the House of Lashes Iconic Light. I'm actually going to cut a quarter of them just to fit Tashi's eyes perfectly. And as you guys can see, they frame the eyes beautifully and create this kind of feathery effect, and Iconic Light are my favorites for honestly any look. Now I'm taking a little bit of dark brown eyeshadow and I'm just kind of blending in the lash seam just because I don't want it to look very obvious for close-ups. So using a dark brown shadow will definitely help make that lash line look perfect. For the lips, I'm using the Pinky Swear Velveteen Lip Liner from LIMECRIME, and I want to overdraw the lip a tiny bit, especially in the upper lip. I want to make them look more sculpted. The lipstick, I'm going to use the Rosewood Kiss from By Terry, and I'm also adding on top of it the Chili Potion. This is the Lip Expert Shine, also from By Terry. For a beautiful body glow, I'm using the Celestial Custom Enhancer Drops from Cover FX, and I'm mixing it with the NYX Multi-Usage Dry Oil. The mixture of these two products is absolutely flawless, and I use it on almost all my clients now. These two products are an absolute must in my kit. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like this tutorial if you enjoyed it, and share it with someone who likes makeup as much as you do. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Have an amazing week. Take care.